I hope it's visible to the screen. So, a very good morning, everyone. My name is Sujata Nainari, and my student ID is 147091168. And today I'm here to talk about the module Business Analytics and Intelligence. And the topic is the budget airlines in the UK. So, in this topic and in this assignment, we can learn about the and how we can learn about how we can gather data from 2012 to 2021 and what are all the tools and techniques that we can use and what are all the analysis that we are using in this particular assignment. So, let's dive into the introduction. So, in the introduction section highlights the relevance of research topic given by the increasing growth and economic contribution of the UK budget airlines, the industries, and the necessity for the application of business analytics in strategic management decision. So, in the focus to analyze the trends of the industry and the reports adapt the data from 2012 to 2021 and combines the impact of COVID-19 and the financial factors. So, let's look into the different slide that is industrial analysis. So, in here comes the industrial analysis. The UK budget airlines are critical to the GDP, employment, and tourism, as this analysis demonstrates. The revenue has demonstrated a continuous increase in revenue, as you can see in the picture, demonstrated continuous revenue generation before the advent of COVID-19. The significant decreases since COVID-19 and the process of gradual revals from post 2021 indicates the capacity to bounce back to its amid several streams of economic constraints. Let's move to different slide. So in this slide we can learn about the significance of business analytics. So the for this key application is in the airline business is a business analytics, since it helps with managing organizational operation and managing increasing sales. The outcome of analysis indicates the cost dropping by 20% together with the accuracy of forecasting consumer demands, particularly after the effect of COVID-19. So let's move to next slide. Yeah, in this slide, we can learn about the role of business analytics in business making. So, business analytics is the process of converting information into an asset that would allow the management in one organization to make perfect decision while avoiding the risks and waste of resources within another organization. Though the use of intelligent tools, airlines increases their performance levels at the same time satisfies the need of their customers. Let's learn about the key trend evident in the in the airline industry of the UK. The UK airline industry consists of excellence from higher growth rate before COVID-19 and tremendous losses during COVID-19 and the moderate progress after COVID-19. As you can see here in the improvements, see, as we can see the 2020, it was like very less. So as you can see in this graph, the trend has like decreasing and increasing over the years. Moderate the progress after COVID-19. Trend also points the more significant use of fuel efficient technologies as airline seeks to balance customer expectation for sustainability or environmentally friendly travel. So let's learn about the relationship among variables. The relationship point of the following variables, in another word, the mentioned variable related to financial strength or health, It is required for the current asset to be sufficient enough to cover up the current liabilities to cure the solvency. So here we come for the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis, nothing but that the data shows a fairly large variance in any of the financial numbers. Sales have high volatility while the current assets and liabilities are likewise unevenly distributed. Inventory focus on some grouped important asset values. The coefficient of variance and variance stress financial differences among the industry participant and influencing strategies. Let's learn about the predictive analytic. Predictive analytic. The F value explains the interfacial nature of relationship in the parameter of accuracy in predictive model. A large F value such as 45.6 implies the current asset and the financial ratios are good independent variables in the prediction of revenue trends as well as the liquidity performance in the business strategies. Let's learn about the regression analysis. Regression analysis demonstrate the key relationships. To identify economic benefit, current assets have the direct relation to revenue, whereas the inventory has an inverse relation to liquidity. The relatively higher R2 square also underlines the these variables can contribute significantly to expense of the model. The weak correlation between the sales and current assets indicates the change in asset level may not significantly impact on sale performance, suggesting, suggesting another factor driven drive through revenue. However, the near perfect correlation within the current asset, which is 0.993, demonstrates strong 0.993 indicates the strong internal cohesions, implying that the different components and current assets are closely aligned and tend to move together. So here we have the conclusion. In the conclusion, the role of the data on this budget UK airline sector growth can be viewed as sustainable. Through this regression analysis, there is an indication that the proper management of asset is an essential and business analytic guarantees competitiveness, such as insights in relevant to managing the changes in responses to evolving markets and staying profitable as the market evolve over the years. So, that's pretty much about the budget airlines in UK, and we have used regression analysis and descriptive analysis, and we can see that it like the growth over the years by using this regression analysis, and if they maintain the proper management of assets uh, to their airlines, uh, maybe they can see the not like larger amount of results because of post covid pandemic. Obviously we can see not only in airlines, we can see the lesser growth in any other industries like airlines. So by adopting these type of tools and techniques, they can like obviously expect the results to go higher maybe after like in 5 years. So that's pretty much about the budget airlines in the UK. So I have given some references here. Yeah, uh, that's pretty much about everything in this assignment. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.